Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rose Maria Ladra. I'm 34 years old. I'm from San Mateo, Rizal, Philippines. I have four brothers and one sister, and I am the first child in the family.
What is your educational background?
I am college level, ma'am. Bachelor in Business Teacher Education.
Secondary education, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For 3 years only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I worked before in Hong Kong and Macau.
So, how long did you work in Hong Kong?
I worked there, ma'am, for 1 year and 3 months.
Okay, for two employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first employer, how long did you work?
I worked for 2 months, ma'am.
So, what are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the children, cooking, and doing all the household work.
So, how many are they in the family?
There are four, ma'am.
So, why you didn't finish your contract?
We have the misunderstanding of the elderly there, ma'am.
Okay, so how about your second employer? How long did you work?
1 year and 1 month, ma'am.
So, what are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the children, cooking, and also doing all the whole housework.
So, how many are they in the family?
They are four, ma'am.
So, you break your contract. So, what is the reason?
Some personal problems, ma'am.
Okay, you work also in Macau. How long did you work in Macau?
I worked there, ma'am, for almost 4 years.
So, what are you, your first employer? How long did you work?
I worked there, ma'am, for 2 years.
So, what are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the twins and doing all household works.
So, how many are they in the family?
They are four, ma'am.
Okay, your second employer in Macau. How long did you work?
I worked there for 1 year and 9 months.
So, what are your duties and responsibility?
Taking care of the newborn, the toddler, and also have the two elderly in the home.
So, why you did not finish your contract?
Because I need to go back to the Philippines to take care of my sick daughter.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn, ma'am.
Newborn. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do you have tattoo?
yes, ma'am.
Where? Can you show me?
Right arm and then the left arm. Also
Okay.
on the back here.
Okay, so do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, to support my family and my children financially.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.